Eighth grade. Here's your first project of the year, the 13 Colonies project. Okay, I made this lesson, or excuse me, this video to kind of, answer questions, especially since we're on this block schedule, and to kind of give you some guidance on what to expect. This is a must-do project. Okay, so let me explain it. All right, this is a research project, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you're going to use Nat Geo, mostly Chapter 3, and you are also going to use some Google, I'm sure, for images and also some additional research. Okay. And you are going to discuss and explain or describe the 13 original colonies. Now, here's what you need. Okay. This will be a Google slide um, project that you will turn into a flip book. All right. And here's what I need from you: you will group the colonies and add title slides for each group. Okay, these 13 were either New England colonies, those are the colonies at the top, middle colonies, the ones in the middle, or southern colonies. Okay, I went over to Google and just typed in the 13 colonies, but I wanted to find them by, category. And as you can see up here, okay, we have the New England colonies in purple, the middle colonies in green, the southern colonies in orange. And that's all I need. Don't worry about all these down here. Okay. Those are the 13. So when you start to type out this project, you should have titles for each one and make sure that you group it according to which group it belonged to. All right. So make sure you have 13 of these. You'll need to make these on your own. And I provide an example for you if you get stuck on how to design it. Okay. And make sure that you have a title slide for your first slide. Okay. Of course, there should be images in there. Okay. I didn't list all of that stuff in here, but you'll see it on the example. And I want certain things. So take a look at my example. Make sure that you emphasize the colony. Okay. So I want the name of the colony at the top or on the side. And then I want a large picture, clear enough to read, of either a map of the colony, um, or the state. These 13 colonies eventually became states, and I just showed you an example of that. Okay. And then over here, you'll use Nat Geo, okay, or Google to find the year that it was founded. And I would prefer a bubble, a list, a bulleted list like this. Who was the founder? Sometimes it's an individual, sometimes it's a group, okay, maybe a business. And then what were some of the main physical features of this colony? And let me show you that in chapter 3, 3.3. Now, I would encourage you to go over here to our group, to our course. Okay, hit textbook. I don't know if this works for all of the classes, but I did include chapter 3, 3.4. Actually, it's not 3.3, it's 3.4. But you can see the reading for the middle colonies. You can see the reading for the southern colonies. But this will probably be the go-to page, 3.4. So let's go there. It should open up for everyone. This is a linked course. If it doesn't, just go to your Nat Geo Sync app and open it up from there. Okay, you can pause the video and type in the title if it hasn't already been assigned. If you do have your textbook at home, it's pages 114 to 115. And look at this. The natural resources are here in this map. Okay. And I think it'll tell you, it'll give you the characteristics by category. That's why it's important to know the category or the group that your colony belongs to. All right. But this map here would be very nice. Not natural resources and all that good stuff are on there. And then at the bottom, if you scroll down, it gives you, okay, according to categories, some of the physical features right here in this chart. Okay. And then what I want you to do is just find icons to match it. All right. I would prefer icons, but if you want to type and list it out, just make sure you find some additional pictures to go along with your slide. Okay, so now you see, why I have some of these icons here. Okay, because we do want to know the physical features, the natural resources. Okay, that were there. Okay, I think on one of those maps we saw fish, stuff like that. Okay, and basically that's all I need from you. Some will have, eight icons or a list of eight things. Some will have just a few. Okay, some will definitely repeat, but this is an example. Now, just finishing the slides though, and you need 13 of these, okay, in addition to the category, the addition to the subgroup, okay? Was it a middle colony, New England colony, or Southern colony? Now, once you've done that, you're halfway done. The next part is to turn your slides into a digital flip book. And you can go to any one of these apps, okay, Flip Snack, Hazing or Hazing, whatever you say that, and Publu. Okay. You can probably type into Google a free digital online flip book maker, and it'll give you one of these three, and maybe it'll give you a different one. All right. But what you'll need to do is you'll need to you'll need to download your slides as a PDF. All right. And once you have it saved in your Google Drive, you will then upload it to one of these apps and it will turn it into a digital flip book for you. Now, let's say that I just use my presentation slide for this assignment. Okay. I go here to File, Download, and I want to download this entire thing as a PDF. Okay. It'll download, and then somewhere on here, it will. Oh, there we go. My 13 colonies download is in my drive. Okay. Or on my computer. For your Chromebook, it's going to be in your drive. And then I'm going to go over here to Flip Snack. And when I get here, I'm going to make, sorry, there we go. When I get here, I'm going to click the Make a Flipbook, and it should let you do a free one, but it's going to ask you to sign in with Google. So do that. The first time I did it, it said an error occurred. Okay, but if you just redo it, it should let you through. Okay, and as you can see, it let me in. All right, I have a couple of these that I've done in the past, and then you're going to upload your PDF. So you go here. You are not allowed to create more. You've already see it only lets you do three. Please delete some. So I'll probably have to go back here and just delete some of these. All right, so I went back and deleted some of those. I moved them to trash, and now it let me do it. Okay, and here is my Flip Snack flip book. All right, there it is. And it flips right open for me, and it looks real nice, and that's what we're trying to do. And then when you're done, you will share your link. Let's see, share now. I guess I have to do it up here. And click the down arrow here. Save this draft. I don't need to publish it, but maybe I might have to publish it. Who knows? I guess I do have to publish it before it'll let me share it. And there it is. There's the share link. Yeah. So you do have to publish it. You're going to share this share link with me, and you'll turn that into the assignment.